Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What we have here is some gate lock, Securus something or other, and Securitech. Pretty much it's just broken. There's a bit of a gap there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap it out with this one. This is the B&D one. This one's better. It's got a picture of a family on it, heaps better. Everyone likes the one with the family on it. And this one here has the indicator, the key on top. And yeah, if everything goes well, we can do this with just one tool. This one. Make sure you can see. Everything's self-tapping screws. More screws. There's got to be a hidden one down here somewhere. Push down, pull up. I think that's got a hidden screw. Bit of spider's web. Okay. Oh, there's the spiders. Take that down. Is that all of them? Okay. I'll pull that there. Right, now, normally it always has a screw here, so that has to be the screw. Let's drill through that. Aha! Knew it. There. Down or up. Still wants to fight. Okay, what's happening here? That doesn't move. That's got to be it. There we go. Little spiders. Use my DeWalt hammer drill. Another little spider in there. Getting closer. Oh my gosh. I'll just come off. There we go. Alright. So they're all self-tapping screws, which is pretty cool. Let's throw this one on. Okay, what do we got? There we go. There's my screws, there's my screws, there's my key. I'll just use all these old ones. Alright. So, same scenario, you put that on there first, and then you slide that on top, and then you do the rest of it. Is this locked? It's locked. Little red indicator there as well. Okay, turn it 360 and it should be open. That there. Pull, release. Okay, so we need this and this to put these here and here. This is one of the easier locks to fit. Some self-tappers. So let's put one of these at the top. Okay, we can't use the same screw holes, we'll make fresh ones. Down, there goes my screw. Okay, so this is not a pool. If it was, it would need to be a certain height. This is only a playground, so about there is fine, really. Just enough so some sort of deterrent for small kids not to get into the playground. Nothing worse than kids getting in the playground. Or you put your kids in here and then they manage to escape. Geez, that would be bad. Kids getting out of the playground. Whatever it's here for. I mean, I don't know why it's here. It's a playground. You want kids to get in. But anyway. Two screws, okay, so I'll put the two screws there, one more screw here, a couple of screws on the side. Okay, now one more screw will be going through here when we select our height. That's fairly easy. Oh, looks like it's just surface mounted. Okay, so we've got a huge massive gap on this gate. We can't really bring it across, so we're going to have to use the lock to do it. Undesirable. This little screw here moves it left and right, see that? So I'm going to be lucky to get two good screws on this. And you can drill straight through this model here, so that's cool. Really easy install. Okay, so just lock that in there. Okay, lift it up to about centre. Okay, so we can move this lock up or down, and we can move this latch backwards and forwards. Line that up a bit better. So there's 4 marks here. Okay, so it's okay. It's about the height we want. So it should lock automatically. It does. Let's put this screw on the side here to stop that from moving. There you go. One of the holes the line's top on. That doesn't move now. Okay. A little bit too high. Slow it down. That's better. Okay. Yeah, there is a massive gap there. I'm going to have to put something there, but that's it. Fitted. We'll put this black plastic cap over the top. It just slots on. That's it. The Magna latch. Magna latch, gate pull latch. To lock it, go like this, 360, it goes red, locked, unlocked. Pull it, self-locking. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching.